some wicked blessing and the blessings of the Almighty. We're still there. Some people come to America and then go work and go back home. We are just straight from a long time. When we see some fool, we just kick back and ask this question. Dennis Brown, yo, delight. Yeah, the whole of them and them have them song in them computer. The whole of them have them in them computer, but they don't know them like this. And me are the original, and me are the boss. Tell them, say them a piece of me are the boss. Put up their money and come, because we don't kill people for free. See? Dennis, the man here, bro. Love it. You think me losing? Delight. Original Hebrew on the play before we reach yourself. Most of the time I just saw everybody there, right yourself. And some boy are going like them, we don't know them. Some boy are going like we don't know them, bloody. Like we say we respect who respect me. And who don't respect me, we don't respect them. And if a boy is in the work and try with them. Dennis, tell a boy to chuck up.
Too much wilderness.
I want to know. Want to find out.
Come along, yeah, entertain myself. Too much wilderness. Too much antagonist. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Yes, wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Yeah. Too much informers, too much deliverers. Too much informers, too much deliverers. Time to separate the sheep from the wolves.
I'll play one more song. Yeah, this one you play music still big and serious. I'm not enough dance to any song. I'm not just listen to speak more time and listen to the message in the music. I last song I play, I'm on just rock and then over this we are going to come in and then we are going to come back and we just come. Dennis Emmanuel Brown. And it goes. What time it is? What time it is? Rocket time. Last and final. Hey ladies. time, yes, I want more tune and I ask people. I ask you one more song. Sometimes you tell some people to make you rock. And then I make some move when you have to ask okay, I'm a Christian. And you just kick back and you just tell them the real thing. Dennis, your man you are. Show them a woman you're moving to when them now dance to the rhythm, you have to talk to them. Yo, big ass to you. We didn't have party last night for all that. Me no book to the thing, and my cousin thing, and I just did it. And the man them play some song, and I play some song, and I play some song, and I say people them have arthritis, many people them this, many people them that. Big up Ice Star, they said the song last week, up there. And I tell a big ass to you, some of them have the people them party, and we are saying people, and blame the people them. And we just go over there and say, yo, different strokes for different folks, change the mother music. And just select some song and done the party. So when a woman now move right, you just tell her she move into. Tell her, woman, you're moving too fast. Yo, Devon, you see a boss on your money, it's money enough. That's why you want to mash it up. This is right now. My little 30 minutes now. I'm just fucking up and telling them the truth. Now, I big up all my family because they love London. I say big up E and wifey on my best side. I see them people over here up on the left, and the whole of my picnic them and my cousin them and my nephew them and the whole of over here so I film them. I mean, I introduce the sound here now. I mean, I said DJ Delights, I mean, I said DJ Max. But we are going to keep it like this. Love connection to Russia.
Little tip and soundboard. How could you be so disrespectful? Talking all kind of garbage, saying all manner of evil against a sequence sound. But tonight, you must get thrown down. Finish them. Now because it's by around London, Jimmy, Father Lexus, and Sean. Turn it on. Roll it from there.
Yeah! Are we something answer?
Some power.
Well, I'm a family there, the young generation over there, so I love her now.
I'm going to send my run, coming to see them like London, Jimmy, Monday, Father Lexus, and John. I will answer the family.
The wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life through Christ. Who shall attack them?
Running sequence, attack them.
Trying to get to sequence when you hear the sequence sound I play, yeah. Cause it's just like that I'm never everything. Today that's over and today is me. So this is true, this is my baby already. Good ones got to be
Yeah, Luciano.
down, down. Put it down, way. Put it down. Trying to get some sleep and time. Put it down, down. Put it down, way. Put it down. Trying to get some sleep.
I don't think of that. I don't think of that one. Come like some tweet or link or something link, but you don't know what things said. Right now. Now we'll kick you some tunes here, because I don't know how to stop you. Make it stop the thing. A final time now. Catch bonnet. Why you do them at them places? Catch bonnet.
coordination. For this a bone man connection. Come let me tell you this a bone man connection. But watch your man, me call bone connection to me come on. Me call bone connection to me come on. Me call a bone connection to me chest bone. Me chest bone connection to me ring bone. Me ring bone connection to me spine bone. Me spine bone connection to me leg bone. Me leg bone connection to me knee bone. Me knee bone connection to me ankle. Me ankle bone connection to me toe bone. Me toe bone connection to me toenail bone. What a whole heap of bone. Come let me tell you, Mrs. Skin pressure bone and me bone. Chaman say Nicodemus have to wash it and go home. And some of them a talk about me ear one come. Me don't check like the scissors and me rub up at the comb. Say one thing I left up in me ear finger home. Chaman in a the bone man connection. Come let me tell you this a bone man connection. But what chaman a let you want? Say you operate and I tell you I want you flip your part. Come let me give them part two. Say this one, this a give part two. Now the bone man connection. Yeah, chaman me come in nice up the vision. But what chaman a say you keep position and you want it for rama. Say make sure Nicodemus have be like in a imana. Say make sure put me in for this radio station. Nicodemus too important. Chaman me come in nice up the vision. But what chaman me say one. Say two you pick up the version. Say three say four me come
sequence out there, no except Byron. You're going good. And you make a play about 100 songs away at time, but don't worry about that. A niceness. You see me, I say, pick up Majesty in that place. You know, man, all I saw man there when I know myself, you know. Now we bring down hardcore, yardcore. We call it all kind of cool. And I tell you, look what we're doing there. Oh my God. Every day is like a big timer. But I don't know you are undercover. You think you're clever, but you might end up like a boy Lucifer.
remember the speaker, we're talking about real reggae music.